Hello friends, today we are discussing how to learn SEO, a complete roadmap for beginners. So let's start our topic. If you want to learn SEO but don't know where to start, you are not alone. There's so much SEO related content that it's easy to get lost. That's why we created this guide for you. By the end of this guide, you understand the SEO basics you need to know first, how to appreciate, practice, and apply what you're learning. The tools every SEO should be familiar with, the skills that will make you more effective. Let's dive in. Understand how search engines work. Understanding how search engines work gives you the foundation for deep, meaningful SEO learning rather than just memorizing tactics. Search engines like Google use bots to discover and analyze websites across the internet. They store these websites in a massive database called an index and then serve the most relevant results when people search. You can get a full breakdown of this process in Google's How Search Works guide. As an SEO, your job is to make sure search engines can easily find your site, properly index your content, and understand that your pages deserves to rank highly for relevant searches. You use the basics below to begin working on an SEO campaign. Develop basic SEO skills. You can develop basic SEO skills by conducting keyword search research, creating content, applying on page SEO best practices, improving your technical SEO, and link building. Conduct keyword research. Keyword research is the process of finding and analyzing the search terms keywords your audience is typing into Google. This is arguably the most important skill in SEO because it guides your content creation efforts. What makes a good keyword? Here are the criteria to use when deciding whether to target a keyword. It should have a decent number of monthly searches. It should be relevant to your website. It should be within your ranking capabilities, i.e., it should attract to much competition from other websites. To do keyword research, well, you need a specialized software like Semrush Keyword Magic tool. It can help you find keyword ideas and analyze various metrics to choose the best keywords for your website. Create content. Conducting SEO optimized content involves creating pages around keywords such as critical articles, product pages, and landing pages. The main thing to learn here is how to make your pages genuinely useful. At a basic level, your pages should match search intent, give people what they actually looking for, offer something unique compared to rival pages, be easy to read with clear readings and short paragraphs, include helpful visuals, incorporate keywords naturally. User reading 16 tips for creating SEO optimized content. Apply on page SEO best practices. On page SEO refers to the optimization of individual home pages, web pages. This is the most straightforward aspect in SEO to learn and implement. Optimizing your own page implement properly makes it easier for search engines to understand what your pages are about, and if they can understand your content, they can show it for relevant searches. Key on-page SEO elements to focus on are title tags, titles that appear on browser tabs and can show us clickable headlines in search results. Each page's title tag should include its main keyword to show what the page is about. Meta descriptions, short page summaries that can show us snippets under your title in search results. Their primary purpose is to attract clicks from users. Headers H1, H2, H3, etc. The H1 main heading should help in users and search engines understand the main topic of your page, while subheadings should clearly reflect the information essentially of the page. URL slugs, description parts of your web addresses that tell both users and search engines what the pages are about. This plug is another good place to include a page's main keyword, internal links, and links within your content that points to other pages on your own website, adding relevant links to descriptive things Text will help search engines and users navigate your site efficiently. User reading on page SEO, what it is and how to do this. Improve your technical SEO. Technical SEO involves improving various technical aspects of your website, mainly to ensure search engines can find and index your website properly. This includes things like having an XML sitemap, a file that lists all the pages you want search engines to index, creating a robot.txt file, a file that tells the search engines which pages on your site should be crawled, using meta robots to text HTML that tells search engines how to crawl, index, and display pages. Implementing structured data code that helps search engines better understand your content. Much of technical SEO is also about improving the user experience, about things like ensuring your site is mobile friendly, maintaining strong core web vitals, a set of metrics that score your page for user experience, using HTTPS, a protocol that relates to website security. You can find technical SEO uses on your website and get advice on how to fix them with the Semrush site audit tool. Further reading, what is technical SEO basics and best practices. Start link building. Link building is the process of getting other websites to link back to your site. This incoming links called backlinks are among the most important ranking factors in Google's algorithm. But not all links are created equal. Here's what influences the value of a backlink. Relevance: how topically related the linking site and page is to your site and page. The closer the relation, the more weight the link may carry. Authority: how well known or reputable the linking website is. Links from well known or reputable websites may carry more weight. Placement: where the link appears on the page. For example, a link within the body of a blog post is more valuable than one buried in a footer or sidebar. Anchor text: the clickable text of the link. Descriptive, keyword rich, anchor text may be more beneficial for SEO. There are many tactics for building links, including creating link-worthy content, original research guides and tools trained to naturally attract links, broken links, building, identifying broken links to your own or competitors' websites and getting them replaced with working links to your website. Digital PR, gaining media coverage to earn mentions and backlinks. Further reading, link building for SEO, a guide to the basics. Learn SEO by doing. The best way to actually learn SEO is to start practicing what you learn. There are a few ways to do this. Practice on your own website, building your own site and using it as your testing ground, or experimenting safely with your company current website is one of the best ways to learn SEO. When you are starting out, start applying what you learn. Try doing keyword research to find content ideas, create pages around those keywords, optimize your title pages, tags, headings, and meta descriptions. Work on technical aspects like your page speed. Build a few clear technical backlinks by asking websites that mention you to turn those unlinked mention into backlinks. When you apply what you learn in your actual work, you are start making progress. Sometimes you make mistakes, and that's okay. You figure things out, correct course, and start to see how everything connects. Master essential SEO tools. Every SEO professional needs to learn how to use tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console properly to be able to measure their website's SEO performance. Beyond that, you should also learn how to use some third-party SEO tools. For example, Semrush SEO Toolkit offers a suite of SEO tools that makes your daily work easier, including Keyword Magic tool helps you find the best keyword ideas for your business. Site Audit helps you identify and fix technical issues on your site. SEO Writing Assistant uses AI to help you improve and optimize your content. Link building tool helps you find link building opportunities and manage your entire outreach campaign. Position tracking helps you track where your pages ranks for important keywords. so you can see if your SEO efforts are working. Learn complementary skills. To truly excel in SEO, it helps to build complementary skills that boost your effectiveness. Use spreadsheets confidently. A lot of SEO work involves analyzing data in Excel or Google Sheets, so it makes sense to learn how to use these tools effectively. You don't need to become a spreadsheet wizard, but you should be comfortable with the basics like flooding and sorting data, so you can easily find the information you need using formulas like lookup, if len, concat, convolute, so you can make useful calculations creating pivot tablets, so you can easily summarize large sets of data. Master AI tools. AI tools, ChatGPT, have become incredibly useful for doing SEO work more productively. Connor Lehe, contact strategist at Semrush, says. So take time to experiment with AI tools, explore different use cases, and see where it can genuinely save you time without compromising on quality. Further reading: How to use AI for SEO. Learn HTML and JavaScript basics. You don't need to be a developer to succeed in SEO, but having a basic knowledge of HTML and JavaScript can take you a long way. HTML is the language that provides a structure and meaning to a web page and its content. When working in SEO, you deal with things like title tags, meta descriptions, header tags, and internal links, all of which are created in HTML. JavaScript is a language used to make websites dynamic and interactive. It affects how search engines and users interact with your site, so it can have a significant impact on your SEO performance. An understanding of both technologies will make you a more effective SEO professional. Security and SEO and international blogs lead at Semrush says. Okay friends, thank you so much for watching my video.